The Yangtze, China's longest river, rising from the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, flows eastwards for 6,300 kilometers, eventually reaching Yuantuojiao in Jiangsu province in eastern China, where it flows into the sea. A large amount of sediment carried by the Yangtze River has been deposited here due to the tides. Gradually, the sandbar is becoming a growing and extending beach plain. It has also become a popular stopover for a large number of migratory birds. In the Yangtze River Delta to the north of Yuantuojiao, abundant rivers carry huge amounts of sediment to the sea. They also bring nutrients, piling up to form fertile coastlands and unique sandy ridges and sandbars. Around the coastline of the Yellow Sea in China, hundreds of kilometers of coastal wetlands and ecological zones have formed. Every spring and autumn, nearly 3 million migratory birds around the world stop here to replenish themselves. The Yangtze River Delta, next to the Yellow Sea, is one of China's most economically developed and densely populated regions. While the economy is developing rapidly, a large number of coastal wetlands have been preserved. This creates valuable habitats for millions of migratory birds and endangered species that prefer not to be disturbed. Today, sediment accumulation and continental shelf settlement are two dynamic geological forces, which are constantly shaping the landscape and ecological processes of the Yellow Sea and Bohai wetlands, making it one of the most diverse and richest coastlines in the world. It is an organic combination of natural, biological and human functions, and a key hub on the East Asian Australasian flyway of migratory birds.